Welcome to today's video where we take a look back at the cast of the popular 1989 sitcom Birds of a Feather and explore what they have been up to since then. We will tell you about the original names and ages of the actors from the series and how they have changed in 2024. Okay, let's see it together. Number 1. Pauline Quirke played the character Sharon in the series. When filming, she was 30 years old. And now she is leaving London Borough of Hackney, London, United Kingdom at the age of 64.
Yeah, I'm Sharon of Edmonton. No, I ain't. I'm Sharon of Chigwell. Yeah, I just moved. Quite distressed, and I did a quick head count to see how many children there were on the plane, because obviously they get first pickings, don't they, the kids? And then I asked the stewardess very quietly, would it be possible to...
Number 2. Nicholas Grace played the character Marcus in the series. When filming, he was 42 years old. And now he is leaving West Garby, United Kingdom at the age of 76.
Things going in the catering trade?
Bit iffy at the moment. I'm having a bit of trouble with the Inland Revenue.
Why, what's the problem?
Dunno.
With all the machinery working and the scenes changing, it's quite extraordinary. And when I got in with the theatre manager there, the contemporary one, he showed me how all the scenery moved, and it was...
Number 3. Gordon Warnick played the character Ranjit in the series. When filming, he was 27 years old. And now he is leaving London, United Kingdom at the age of 61.
Well, that's it, really. You're skin Tracy, sorry.
You're joking.
Accountants don't make jokes about money.
But what about Dale's business?
It's useless.
Obviously serious undertone. It doesn't hit you over the head about certain issues about becoming a transgender person.
Number 4. Peter Polycarpo played the character Chris in the series. When filming, he was 33 years old. And now he is leaving Brighton and Hove, United Kingdom at the age of 66.
Especially for me.
Sharon? No. No.
Thank you, my darling.
People are very familiar with Dream the Impossible Dream, but what people can expect, audiences can expect from the rest of the score.
Well, the guy that wrote it used...
Number 5. Linda Robson played the character Tracy in the series. When filming, she was 31 years old. And now she is leaving Islington, London, United Kingdom at the age of 65.
Daryl's left us very well provided for. Financially, at least. I'll have them both. One for me and one for Garthy. We'll put them on my bill. I'm not taking...
No, I weren't in it.
But you went
then.
to like theatre school as a
I
young
went to
kid,
Anna
didn't you?
Scher's,
Yeah.
which is a children's theatre in Islington, and it was never a money-making concern. It was just to get kids off the street. So it was with Kathy Burke, Mike.
Number 6. Eamon Walker played the character Pauline in the series. When filming, he was 31 years old. And now he is leaving London, United Kingdom at the age of 61.
And I said to him, I don't want to get involved. And he said, you're involved with a villain's old lady. Now, if you don't want that spread about. And she says, you said that word wrong, or you have to go and redo that. And those are my days that I hate, because sometimes it just Tanner and knows. The studio's happy.
Number 7. Lesley Joseph played the character Gran in the series. When filming, she was 44 years old, and now she is leaving Finsbury Park, London, United Kingdom at the age of 78.
It's for the charity shop. It's old clothes I want. Anything. Last year's Kenzo. A Jasper Conran you shouldn't have brought, but you couldn't resist it. When you got it home, it clashed with your Catherine Hamnet.
Talking to you.
She has.
She will say she used to arrive with tenor ladies.
I
and that
did!
So...
No,
I did. You never used them, but I bought them for you in case you needed them.
Why did you buy them for me if I never...
Number 8. Ray Winston played the character Malcolm in the series. When filming, he was 34 years old, and now he is leaving Homerton, London, United Kingdom at the age of 66.
As it happens, I won Search for a Star once.
What? On a telly?
No, at Malster's Arms, Snodland.
You know, and we used to just have a little taster in the morning, right, when we go to work. We used to get an old beer and go...
Number 9. Leon Lewis played the character Daryl in the series. When filming, he was 40 years old, and now he is leaving Gardner, United Kingdom at the age of 74.
And I remember how the police picked up me and my mum's a couple of days later. And how you had to serve an extra 3 months. And how you said you'd go straight after that. And how I believed you. And now you're...
Number 10. Bernard Hawley played the character Richard in the series. When filming, he was 58 years old, and we regret to inform you that on November 22, 2021, he passed away age of 81.
Look for an empty bottle, Trace.
Dorian, why are you doing this?
Bad head.
When I was in Zecos, we bought a house and it was 361. But also the other thing is, so I met her at 136, we live in 361, and we...
Let me know who is your favorite character from the TV series Birds of a Feather and leave your comments under this video. Remember to support us by liking and subscribing to the channel and pressing the notification bell to receive my upcoming videos. I cannot wait to share more good memories with you. Thank you. See you soon.